friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and I honestly wasn't sure when I was going to get this one, so this is my last video before the end of the year. Happy New Year, you guys! We did it. We did 2020 kind of successfully for the conditions that were handed to us. You know, it was a big year for us. We moved into this new house, which, you know, room by room, we're getting it done. Got the kitchen mostly done, the dining room mostly done, the living room mostly done. And we're moving into the hallway and the entryway and the bathroom down there. And then we can start up here. So yay us. Anyway, we have a Stitch Fix box today. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you want to, I'm gonna have a link below. It's my mom's referral link and you can get $25 towards your first box. So yeah, she would get $25 too. She has gotten her own box from all you guys signing up, and I'll insert like a little picture of her somewhere over here, I think. Her box, she had a 5 for 5, so thank you guys so much. She thanks you. We do still want to, you know, try to do one with my mom, you know, unboxing too. It's an overall kind of day today. I posted that on my Instagram with me and my overalls. If you don't follow me on Instagram and you want to, it's eyebrow06. Check it out. You know, I post stuff mostly like when I have a new unboxing, or sometimes pictures of my chickens and stuff like that. So anyway, let's get into it. I did cut into the box. I did look at what they were sending me, but I ordered this box beginning of December. It shipped on the 10th. Today's the 27th. So it's made its journey through life to get here. Everyone's so busy at the post office, understandably. So they have your mailer to mail things back. If you want to learn more about Stitch Fix, check my description box below and it'll tell you stuff. Mostly, you know, I figure if you're here watching this, you know what Stitch Fix is. I'm just going to put this to the side somewhere, I suppose. And there are 2 bundles in there. Let's see what's happening. We have our price sheet, which we're going to look at the end. Put that little guy over there. And we have our stylus note, which we always like to read first. I didn't think it was Kristen. Just from looking at the pieces, I didn't think it was Kristen, and it's not. Let's see. Hi Rachel, happy holidays. I'm Deanna and I'm your stylist for this fix. Imagine my surprise when you popped in my fixes. I clicked on your YouTube link and I knew exactly who you were because I'm a subscriber. Oh, hi. Hi, Deanna. Thanks for watching. I knew it wasn't Kristen from the stuff you picked. It's not bad stuff, it's just different. And different sizes, we'll get into that. So I'm really excited to be selecting pieces for you today. I hope you got all moved and settled into your new home. Anyways, on to the fix. I didn't see any specific requests this time. That's because like I checked out and then the next day you styled me. Like I didn't even have time to leave a note. And then it shipped like same day. So you were super quick. Appreciate that. But I peeked at your Pinterest and Fix inspiration board for inspiration. I did send a mix of sizes. Typically with Stitch Fix, the 1X equals 14W. Okay, yeah, because some of the stuff was like 1X. And I was like, I know I've gained some holiday weight. It's fine, it's fine. Everyone's beautiful, no matter what size they are. The first piece I chose for you today is this fun light blue cardigan by Bobo. I was excited about that. It's rayon, so it's super soft. Pair it with this fun knit dress by Fortune and Ivy for the holidays. Lastly, these fun black pants are a fun alternative to leggings. I was excited about those too because I thought maybe I could wear them to work. Lastly, these fun, oh, I already read that. I haven't even had any wine. I hope you find a piece that you love. XO Deanna. Thank you, Deanna. I am excited to try the things on. So let's see. I'm going to put your little lovely note right there. And we'll get into it. So here's our first little bundle. Sorry, I had to stop the camera for a second. And here's our second bundle. So we're just gonna tear right into it, you know? Here we go. This is the cardigan she was talking about, and I was excited about this one, though I haven't really worn a lot of cardigans yet this year, but it's really cute. It's really soft, and then it has kind of like a ribbed on the sleeves there and on the back, you can see. And then it kind of has like a little, wow, waterfall front, if you can tell. You'll tell on, it's fine. And this is Bobo Dynasty ribbed black cardigan in light blue in a 1X. So that is nice because if I'm wearing like long sleeves or something, it is nice for it to be a little bit roomier. And I'm just gonna leave that on my lap. This one is a mixed material, which I was hesitant about because I need stretch. So the front part, if I can get it, is the part that is not stretchy, but the back is. So there's that. So this was probably the one I was least excited about. It's the by Laylee Vernon mixed material top in burgundy. Also 1X though, so we're probably taking that into consideration, Deanna, when you picked it because of the lack of stretch, I'm guessing. So there's that one. And then this one, oh, I don't know if I'd be able to, well, maybe I could wear it to work. It's by Market & Spruce, and it is the Arton Pull-On Hem Detail Skinny Pant in black. Yeah, I could wear that, I think. So it is a pull-on. Does not have real pockets in the front, but it does in the back. So those are kind of cute, and here's the texture, if you can see. It's almost like a jegging kind of texture. Oh! Look at it right there. That's kind of a fun detail. You couldn't tell that in the picture online. So like, even though I peek, I'm still excited to see them in person. So that's kind of fun. Okay, I see you, dear. Let's see. Okay, and here's our second bundle. Here is a dress. And I don't really wear a lot of navy. Navy is not my favorite color. It is by Fortune and Ivy, the Lenora Knot Detail Knit Dress. So maybe if this were in a different color, I would like it more. But it does have pretty flowers on it. And this is in a 1X as well, so that's nice. And it knots right there and it kind of crosses over. It's not bad. I'm just not a huge navy person. And then lastly, we have, I was kind of excited about this one. This one kind of has like a mixed material as well though, so the front is not stretchy, but the back part is. And this is the Fortune and Ivy Colin mixed material ruffle sleeve blouse in burgundy and an XL. But I liked the V-neck and I liked the buttons, how they're faux buttons, so it's not going to come apart at the bust. And then I did like the little cinch detail there, and yeah, on the sleeves. So, all right, that is our bundle with Deanna. I don't know where Kristen is. Don't know where she is. But we're going to give you a go, Deanna. I'm excited. All right, let's get to trying them on. If anyone's interested, my overalls are from Old Navy. I don't know if they're still available, but just like, I'll go on their site, Google overalls, and they might come up. Okay, so here's the first outfit. Here's the cardigan. Sorry, I'm sniffling. It's really soft. Sorry, there's a string on my shirt. This shirt is from Fashom if you want to check out my Fashom unboxings. But here's the cardigan. It's really soft. I do think I could use an extra large instead of a 1X. But if I was wearing long sleeves, it would be nice because it is roomy. And then here are the jeggings, whatever you want to call them. And they fit nice. I kind of like them. Though they're Market & Spruce, so they might be expensive, but let me angle you down. Hi, how are you? Let's see if you can see. So yeah, I really like them. I like the ribbing on the bottom. I think that gives it a little something extra. I like that it has real pockets in the back. It kind of like sucks you in a little bit there. So I think that's nice, and I think I could wear it to work okay. Pretty sure. So yeah, I think those are both nice pieces. I'm not in love with the cardigan like I was hoping to be, but I like the pants so far. So yeah, let's try on the two tops with these pants. Here's the first mixed material top. And it's not bad. It actually fits pretty nicely at the bust because we went up a size. I'm just not into like the one material on the front and then another material on the back. So I just don't really like the mixed material shirts. I can't find a word. In the future, Deanna, if you sell me again. I like the color though. The color is nice and the pattern's nice. It's just, I don't know. I think it's just not my style. These pants are really comfy though. All right, next top. I actually really like this top. And it's the only one you didn't go up a size in, which I think I'm glad about. So here it is. It is a little bit wrinkly, so I do worry about that, but I have this like wrinkle release spray. Look at these cute sleeves. Aren't they adorable? I like that. And I like the little buttons there. I like the V-neck. If I go like this, it's not like restricting or anything. The back is a little bit clingy, but I wonder if it's just like staticky from being in the box. But it has that pleat up there, and this material is stretchy in the back. So I kind of like it. I kind of like this one. I might like this whole outfit. I don't know. Are these pants too legging-ish for work? I can't tell. Can you tell? I don't know. They have pockets though. If I try tucking it in, will it look weird? Probably. A little bit. Okay, I kind of like that one. I really like the color. Sorry. Oh, that's hard. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on this. Okay, I guess it'll depend on the price. All right, we have the dress last. So I feel a little bit matronly in this one, Deanna, and I don't know if it's just the color and the pattern. I don't know. I like the idea though. I really like this twist right here. I think that's really pretty and flattering, and how it drapes is really nice. But I think it's just the pattern. Like maybe if it were in like a polka dot or something and like a different color, I would like it. So maybe like if it's in a different pattern, try sending it again. But I think this size is perfect. I think I just feel a little matronly in it. So not my fave. Let me move the camera down a little bit so you can see the twist a little bit more. And the length is nice. I wish it were like maybe just that much higher. I think that would help, but it's a little bit matronly. So, and I'm not a matron. All right, let's go over prices. Okay, so I didn't put my overalls back on, but I put my chair just went down. I put my shirt back on and leggings because I'm home now. I wore my overalls out to go shopping and grocery shopping today, so it was a very successful overall day. Pardon me. Okay, so the Fortune Ivy Lenora Knot Detail Knit Dress in Navy was $54. Not gonna get it. I didn't really like the neckline either. It was a little too wide for me. The Bobo Dynasty Ribbed Black Cardigan in light blue, $58. Marking Spruce Art and Pull-On Hem Detail. The pants, $48. I'm still thinking on it. I'm thinking on it. The Fortune Ivy Colin Mixed Material Ruffle in burgundy, it's $42. I don't know which one because they're both, okay, that's the one that I tried on with the cute ruffle. I guess that's why it said ruffle. $42 isn't bad for that shirt. It's not bad. The Lele Vernon Mixed Material Top in burgundy, $44. So the total of the box, $246. If I kept everything, $61.50 off, making it $184.50. Good job with the prices, Deanna. I don't know what I'm gonna keep, if I'm gonna keep anything. I did just get a gift card from my mother-in-law. Thanks, Kelly, for Stitch Fix. So I do have some, you know, money to use towards my boxes. But I want to be in love. I just want to be in love with what I keep. And I gotta try them on again, I think, to see if I love them. I did like the pants. I just don't know if they're too skin tight for work. And yeah, I don't know. All right, well you guys, we did it. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's almost here. It's gotta be better. It's gotta be. I hope you guys had a good time watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. There's a subscribe button down below somewhere down there. And yeah, again, thanks for watching all year long, all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time, next year.